Guys, get ready to witness a smartphone revelation like never before. In this video, we unveil exclusive details about Google highly anticipated Pixel 8 series. Guys, as you know, Pixel 8 series expected to be unveiled in October, and it will be the first devices powered by Google Tensor 3 chipset, and we are going to share very interesting things about this chipset. Tipster revealed that chipset carries a code name of Zuma and will feature a 9-core configuration of OnePlus 4 Plus 4. This will consist of one Cortex X3 Prime CPU core running at 3.0 GHz, 4 cores with a clock speed of 2.4 GHz, and 4 cores running at 2.1 GHz. While this configuration should help the Tensor 3 track the performance of Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but it won't be as powerful as the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and MediaTek next flagship smartphone chipset, since those will be benefit from ARM's recently announced Cortex X4 Prime CPU core. The Cortex X4 delivers 15% more performance using 40% less power according to ARM. The Tensor 3 will be able to provide the Pixel 8 line with ARM's memory tagging extensions. It will feature ARM Mali G715 GPU, which might feature 10 cores as opposed to 7 on the Mali G710 GPU featured on the Tensor 2. As a result, game players might see more realistic lighting, reflections and shadows thanks to ray tracing. The Pixel 8 line will get an upgraded to Universal Flash Storage 4.0 from the UFS 3.1 used on the Pixel 7 series. Already employed by the Galaxy S23 series, UFS 4.0 delivers a sequential read speed of up to 4200 MB per second and a sequential write speed of up to 2800 MB per second, compared to read speed of up to 2100 MB per second and write speed of up to 1200 MB per second for UFS 3.1. This time data will transfer faster and with more power efficiency. And lastly, the Tensor 3 will support a new version of Google Tensor Processing Unit AI accelerator, codenamed Rio. The chip will run at 1.1 GHz compared to the 1.0 GHz clock speed of its predecessor. Google claimed that the TPU on the Tensor 2 was 60% faster for camera and speech tasks, so we might see a decent improvement in AI features this year. So what do you think about it? Please let me know in the comment box below. And what other changes Google doing in Pixel 8 series, you can check out on left side video. At the last, thank you for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more tech adventure.